Hey everyone, let's make some Thai tea ice cream on this hot summer day. So here, let's turn on the stove. Okay, here we have 3 cups of heavy cream. I'm gonna bring that to a slight simmer before we put in half cup of Thai tea leaves. I just have it in this container, but this is Thai tea leaf. It'll be half cup. After that, we put 1 can of condensed milk. You can put regular condensed milk. I just happen to have the fat-free one for some reason. And 3 tablespoons of Bailey's, which is right here. All right. Okay, this has come to a simmer. You add your Thai tea leaves and stir that in. You stir until it comes to a boil and you turn it off right away because you don't want it to boil over. As you know, heavy cream always boils over if you just leave it there, even for a second. Ooh, you see this red orangey color? It's from the Thai tea. Super delicious. All right. So once this comes to a boil, you turn that off and you let it steep for 5 minutes or so, and then you'll strain it. So we'll be back. Okay, so you should not wait more than 5 minutes or so to strain, because once the cream thickens, it's harder to strain. So once I'm done straining, we will put this in the fridge for about 3 hours until it cools down, and then we will be whipping it with the rest of our ingredients. Don't worry that we have a little bit of the tea leaves that got strained into the ice cream, into the cream, because it is edible and it's fine. Okay, so it'll take a few minutes of blending until it gets to a soft peak. But once you get there, that's when you add your next ingredient. So here you have it. This is perfect. Here you would add your 3 tablespoons of Baileys and a whole can of sweet condensed milk. If you would like to have it less sweet, then put less condensed milk. So now turn on your blender again and mix everything really well. Make sure it's nice and creamy, and you can put it in the freezer. So here you have it. This is the following day. It actually came out really good. I only gave a little bit to my kids since it has a lot of caffeine in it, but everyone else loves it. It's really good. Hope you guys like the recipe and enjoy.